Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome guys. So your girl is back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your lace frontal on a ventilated cap. Without ado, let's jump into this video. But before we jump into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share and like this video. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing, to take your head measurements or your client's head measurement. So we're gonna take mine. So my head measurement is 22. So this canvas head is 22 inches as well. I hope you guys can't see, but it's 22 inches. And I already did this canvas measurements head system. I actually saw that video on a lady here on YouTube. I can't remember her name right now, but if I do, by the time I'm editing this video, I'm going to leave her channel right there for you guys to see how she did this measurement. And if you guys actually want me to do a video for you how I make this measurements wig system, let me know in the comments down below. But yeah, so the circumference of this canvas head is 22. So, and my circumference is 22 as well. And this is the front, that's where the hairline is going to be starting. So I'm going to place the cap. I'm going to place the cap right there. So this is indicating to me that the hairline is starting from here. So I'm going to go ahead to pin that down right there. Okay, so the next measurements I'm going to do is my front to nape. So you're going to place your cap, your measuring tape right in front, right where your hairline start from. Then you take it back to the nape of your neck. So right here. So we're gonna see what that is. So mine is 13 inches. Okay, so you're gonna take your cap, you drag it down to 13. So right now I have my circumference, my front to nape. So I think there's gonna be need for adjustment. So the next measurement I'm going to take is my hair to hair across forehead. So mine is 12 inches. Okay, so we're going to take that measurement right now. So the next measurement I'm going to be taking now is hair to hair across forehead. So this is how you want to take that. So you're going to put your tape right behind your ears over here. Okay, like that. And mine is 12 and a half. Okay, so I'm going to do 12 and a half. Oh, sorry guys, you guys weren't seeing. So I did tape it to 12 and a half, right? So the next measurement I'm going to be doing is my temple to temple, which is gonna start from here. So here, and my temple to temple is 13 inches. Okay, so this is the temple to temple I have here already. I do not I actually don't need to measure this, but because I'm doing this video for you guys and I'm not ready to explain, to go in details how this measuring tape system works, so that's why I'm still measuring with another tape, guys. So my temple to temple is right here and it's 13, so I'm going to pin it right there. So can you see that's 13 right there, so it's perfect. So now my nape, my nape is 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So anyways, sorry guys. So you're going to drag your cap down up to 7. So now I'm going to cross check my measurements, okay? So that's 7. So as you guys can see, I have this room, okay? So I have this room. So what I'm going to do is to fold it. Sorry, to fold it. You can see there is room. So now everything is perfect, okay? So this is the hair I'm going to be using. I've been using this hair for a while now, so I just want to make it into a wig. So this is the type of pin I like to use. I got this from Walmart. Okay, sorry guys. So this is the type of pin I like to use. I got it from Walmart. So it's a pin with plastic head, okay? You can get it from any fabric store or Dollarama. So you're going to place your frontal. Okay, so let me keep it right here. So to place your frontal, you want to make sure you bring your frontal about a few centimeters forward. Then you're going to pin it right here. So if you use this type of pin on your closure where you have hair, it's not gonna get stuck. It's really nice, so please take note rather. So you're gonna go to the back. So pin it down as well right here. Now you're going to come to the side. Because this frontal has been used by me, so it's already my perfect head size, okay? So if you're working with a new lace frontal, you have to make sure you check very well your hair to hair size. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead to pin it down right here. So if your frontal is looking like this, like hem, then you did it well, you did it correctly. Otherwise, and the back is laying flat like this, so if your frontal is laying flat like this, that means you did it correctly. Okay, if it's laying flat right here, you see, if it's laying flat right here, that means you did it correctly. And the front is looking like hem, just like this, yes, you're good to go. So the next thing I'm going to do is to sew down the frontal with needle and thread right here. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead to sew it with needle and thread. I'm using regular weaving thread I got from my local beauty supply. Of it you're working with. So the first place I want to start sewing on is going to be right here. So guys, I'll be using 3 bundles of Vietnam bond straights. Okay, so we're gonna go over to my sewing machine and let's get this job done, guys. Let's get it done, period. So at this point, I noticed if I don't double the weft, I won't be able to fit in all the tracks. So I went ahead to double some of the tracks, and you guys are going to see me doing that in a bit. So to double my tracks, I changed the stitches to zigzag. Okay, so you always want to back stitch at least twice, you know, to lock the stitches in place. So guys, we are done. So now I'm just trying to pull. Sorry guys, I just hit my leg. So I'm just gonna start to pull. Lauren, sorry guys, my son is back from daycare. So I'm just pulling the plastic. There's no big deal to this. Between guys, do you like my brows? Like I did ombre brows from Makeup by Spells. Like I don't have to wear makeup to come to YouTube video. You see, no makeup on my face. Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Lauren, say hi guys. He's not having it. So, like I was saying, see my makeup? Sorry, see my brows? They're so on flake, guys. My brows are on flake. So if you guys want to have your ombre brows done and you're in Mississauga, Canada, Toronto, anywhere, I'm going to leave our Instagram page down below. Is that Makeup by Spells or somewhere there. I'm going to leave it somewhere there for you guys. Makeup by Spells. So go get her help to do your brows, your ombre brows, okay? Like, I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Makeup by Spells. I'm loving my brows. So guys, I'm just cutting the plastic, you know. There's nothing much to that, really. So I'm just pulling and cutting, okay? This is gonna take time. So I'm just showing you guys. So you basically just pull. I'm going to do that another time. Be careful not to cut your lace. Now all I need is an elastic band. Okay. It feels so light. I'm loving it already, guys. It feels really, really light. So you're gonna pull your elastic band. You measure from your here to here, like from here to here, right? So you're going to cut. So I can also have it glueless if I want. I don't want to glue all the time, okay? So this is where I'm going to be attaching it. So before attaching your band, you want to make sure you pat the hair, okay? And you place your band right here, okay? Can you guys see? So I'm going to go to the other side as well, right here. Don't forget to pat the hair before you start sewing. So this is it. Like guys, I really love my brows. If you're in Mississauga, Toronto, anywhere in Canada and you want to get your brows done, make sure you go follow my girl at Makeup by Spells. Like, I love it. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, so now she is femme. Oh, something is missing. Comb. I need a comb. This is how it's looking at the back. So I need a comb, guys. Okay, everything is good. I hope so. I believe. That's the look I'll be going for, guys. Do you guys know Cynthia Lumsey? Yes, this is the look I'll be going for. So. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It's my first time of making this wig as well. So what I would say is everything is fine. I like it. You know, it's the first time ever I'm making wig with this kind of cap. That's the ventilated cap. It's breathable. I like it. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on my head. I'm still going to take my time to take off the plastic on the cap. So yes guys, and make sure you watch the next video where I'm showing you how I color this hair. This is supposed to be burgundy, but it's not light anymore, so I'm going to do some highlights. You know, it's gonna be a bump, so make sure you watch that video. Okay, and there's gonna be another video where I'll be showing you guys how I glue it on my head using Bold Max, which gives up to 6 weeks old. I know I'm not going to keep it for 6 weeks, but maybe I want to try and keep it for like 2-3 weeks. I hope so. All right guys, bye, love you.